Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing really well and staying safe at home. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Radhika. So today's video is very different from my another video because in this video I'm going to review a product. This product is very affordable, very cheap. At the same time, it's a very good product. If you are a beginner, if you also are a makeup lover, if you want to play with the color, if you're looking for the eyeshadow which is under 500, then you should keep this watch. Today's review is about Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette, which is a 16 color eyeshadow palette, and it's the shade number 2. I'll let you know how does it perform, what is the blending, it does blend perfectly, what is the pros, what is the con, is the color is enough pigmentation or not. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video.
So it came in the packaging like this, the normal packaging, and I got the package. It's like cardboard package, normal cardboard package, and the ingredients is all mentioned over there. That's what I like about it. All the ingredients, the shelf life, the shade number, everything is mentioned on the cardboard. So that's what I like about the packaging, and even it's mentioned on the real product. As you can see, the product, it's so bright and it's so colorful. I just love the way it's look. It's so colorful. Now I'll tell you the swatches. So I'm going to swatch one by one. You can see the swatches. I'm just touching one time so that you can see the real pigmentation, however the pigmentation is coming. There are some shades which are highly pigmented. There are some shades which are not that pigmented, but yeah, you can work with it. So let me finish my swatches. As you can see the shades, and then I'll move to my demo, like how does it perform in my eye, how does the pigmentation came in the eye, how does the color comes. So now I'm finishing with the swatch. As you can see the swatch, all the colors are very good, colorful. I love the palette. Now it's time for the demo, guys. I'm just doing it normal eyeshadow, the cut crease eyeshadow. I'm taking the red eyeshadow and patting on my eyelid, and then gonna blend this with this hot pink shade. Going to blend it properly. For my next step, I'm taking this orangey shade and buffing it all, like blending all over together, all the shades together. And now I'm cutting my crease, and I'm taking this orangey shimmery shade, which is very nice and very shimmery shade. Now I'm taking this red one and just blending the edges. What I feel about the palette is if you work properly with this, you will get the amazing result, as you can see. So for me, I am satisfied with the product.
Yes, there are some of the shade which are very choky. You can see this one, the yellow shade. The yellow shade is very choky as well, and the pigmentation of yellow is not good at all. It is a very light lime kind of yellow. I'll show you the pigmentation. You can see the pigmentation. It's a very light creamy kind of thing, but yeah, if you want, you can use this to set your foundation or the concealer on top of your eyelid to make a, like, a kind of eyeshadow base. If you talk about the pigmentation and the blending, the pigmentation of this palette, some of the palette very little bit, like one or two three shades are not that pigmented and that not blendable. I feel like the shimmer shades, whatever the shimmer shades they have, like they have shimmer shades 1 2 3 4 5, all the shimmer shades are very pigmented. It feels like, very soft. It feels like very buttery soft. You can see I've put the shimmers, this shade over there, and it's a very good, nice, well pigmented. And there are some shade as well which are very choky, not good. It's not good, but yeah, it will take little time to blend. Like the shade, the light pink one, this will take little time to blend. and the red one. So as per the price point of view, this palette is good. If you want to try it, you will not regret buying this, because some of like almost 80% of the shades are very nice, very blendable. It's not choky. 20% of them are quite choky, not pigmented enough, but yeah, you can always work with it. And yeah, it does contain paraben, so if you're a person who have allergic with the paraben, then I will not suggest this for you. I use this not for, I don't use it every day, and I don't feel there's any side effect given to me. If you ask me, yeah, it does stain your eyelid after you remove the makeup a little bit, not that much, because I always remove my makeup with the coconut oil. So after removing my makeup, I feel there's a stain, but it faded away in just one day, so there's a no worry about the stain. So favorite shade, then this would be this green, this golden, and if you ask me in the matte, then this will be the blue and the violet. You should give this palette a try if you're also looking for the palette which is colorful, not that high in the cost. It's just $229. You can get it from Flipkart, Amazon. So yeah, that was my review, and I have got to know that this palette is actually a dupe of a NYX palette. I'll try to put some picture over here and here also, then you can see the difference between it. If you're gonna ask me about the product, I'm gonna say like it's okay. It's a very nice product if you are just practicing on it. If at the same time you don't want to spend a lot, so you should go with this palette. So that was it, guys. If you liked my video, then please give it a thumbs up. I hope this review was helpful to those who want who is a beginner who also want a colorful eyeshadow. So if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.